Through the Media Citizen Front Climate Mentorship Program, our students who experience climate change at the first hand are gaining the tools and the confidence to face this challenge. Climate change is no longer distant, as already stated. Its effects are especially felt and evident in our pastoralist region.
Planting trees, we should take care of them. You have mentioned watering, isn't it? You have to protect them against the enemies, which is the animals. Even you human beings also interfere with them, isn't it? Termites and so on. And give them some fertilizer. They need to eat, isn't it? So if you don't provide food, they cannot survive, isn't it?
So this initiative underscores the crucial role of young girls in combating climate change, fostering their understanding of its daily impacts, particularly on their educational pursuits. So in addition to our mentorship program, we have launched a tree planting campaign, planting 100 trees within the school compound. This tangible step directly contributes to climate change, mitigation, and environmental resilience.